Sorry for the cut, my storage memory or whatever ran out. I had to pay $20 for the Konica Ultraflex and the lenses and some other stuff. Next we have this Braun Paxette camera. Here. Which also works. I had to pay $8 for this. And lastly we have, have this as well. This is a Voigtlander Vito 2. Actually bought the box before the camera. I bought the box for 50 cents and then I found the camera online for $10 including shipping. Although the camera is not in very good condition. It works, but I wouldn't want to use it. So yeah, a bit over $10 for that. And lastly we have this Nikon EM with a 50mm 1.8 lens, and also a 28mm lens and a 100mm lens. All this works great, and I bought it at an auction for $20. So thanks for watching. Might do some other videos soon. See you in the next